Check this out, guys. R134A Freon, and this is a 1234YF. This is the newer one. I got a hose right here. It's made by Red Tech. This is a R134, so this is supposed to be meant for this one, right? But check this out. I'm gonna connect R134A container, and when you screw in here, look at that, nice and tight. I'm gonna show you how I did this, and then I'll show you why I'm converting both in two different things. Alright, so basically the Red Tech brand service hose right here and gauges, it's not gonna fit to this Emzoil brand. They have their own Emzoil connector, but I'm not gonna buy the connector. I'm just gonna use this Red Tech. The Red Tech is gonna be out of the shelf. It's gonna be sold out. So what they all have in the store now is this Emzoil brand. This is a 2023 RAV4. This takes 1234YF, right? So this is the 1234YF connector with this fitting right here. When I connect this to the low side, it won't connect. See? It should connect. But this other one right here with the R134 is the old style. When I connect this here, there you go. Perfect. It connect. So this is ready to go with the 1234YF Freon. You turn it, boom, done, ready to go. I'll show you why I did this. So basically what I did was this R134 fits on that bottle right there, but the connector won't fit in here, so I just swapped the connector. The end of this connector here, it's changed. This is the R134 connector, supposed to be in here, but it's not. This is 1234YF, supposed to be on this gauge, but it's not. So with the 134A, with the 1234YF connector, 1234YF with the 134A connector. So it just swapped, that's all. That's all you need. Everything works good. Just use a 5/16 open wrench right here. Just open this up, get a vise, spin this. See, it's loose right now. I didn't use this one because this is for the older vehicle. So you can see here, it's loose now because I didn't tighten up. And this connector is supposed to be for this R134. This is supposed to be here, and this is supposed to be on that one. That's it. You just need to swap it, and then this will work. You don't need to buy a different service gauge to your brand new Emzoil 1234YF. With the bottle 1234YF, use the gauge R134A. With the bottle of 134A right here, I'm gonna use the R1234YL right there. That's it.